What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. At the start of this video, I see Kaspa is dipping down to 11 cents. Bitcoin looks like it might break down the 42K range. We're seeing a sell the news scenario. We're seeing some nice discounts in crypto. And I want to give you guys a forewarning to Kaspa. I know a lot of you guys, some of you missed out on buying it, sub 5 cents, sub 3 cents. Some of you are saying it's going down to 8 cents, whatever. I just want to tell you guys, these discounts that you're seeing for Kaspa are not going to last for long. A big mistake in consolidation for cryptos is people thinking it's going to last forever. Okay, there's many cryptos in my portfolio that I've held for many months, even years, and they'll be flat for a long time, maybe even downtrend a little bit, and then out of nowhere, rocket ship at a moment's notice. And then by the time they rocket ship, they reach higher lows, and then those lower lows we want to see again rarely come. I don't know how far Kaspa is going to go, but I know in 2025 it's definitely going to be a lot more than 11 cents. A tier 1 exchange could list Kaspa at any time, send the price like this. So when I get asked, hey John, why are you dollar cost averaging the Kaspa? Would you buy now? My answer is, well, if you believe in it, why wouldn't you buy it now? When you zoom out, this 2.5 billion market cap, and where you can see it in 2025, which I can see it at least 20 billion, 40 billion, 50 billion, and some are even more bullish than me. They say 100 billion market cap. I see it a lot more than 2.5 billion. Kaspa, after all, has Bitcoin's fundamentals. It's a proof of work block DAG. It has solved the trilemma. I see Uphold listed it, and it went to the top 25, top 20 before it came down a little bit. It's the only crypto to date that I've seen slide down the top 100, slide down the top 50, and into the top 20 despite no tier 1 exchange listing. And even with this downtrend in price, the volume is still 37.4 million. What does that tell you? That means people are still trading Kaspa or buying it despite the low availability of getting it. The majority of people who are waiting for a Coinbase listing, Binance listing, Gemini listing, Crypto.com listing, Kraken listing, they want to buy this, but they can't. They don't want to buy on Uphold, or they can't, or they don't want to use a VPN to buy on a shadier exchange. So they're waiting. So the fact that the trading volume is still in the millions, the pretty decent millions, despite this downtrend in the market, that's very significant. I told you guys, a lot of these YouTubers who are not talking about it yet, do not be fooled. Just because they're not covering it on their videos does not mean they're not aware of it, for one, and two, that they're not buying it. They're definitely buying it, and they're definitely aware of it. BitBoy knows about it. Altcoin Daily knows about it. Cryptos R Us knows about it. They're three of the biggest channels in this space. They know about it. A lot of Bitcoin maxis are starting to migrate to Kaspa. This, to them, is like buying Bitcoin at 2.5 billion. But if you saw my last video for Kaspa, I explained why I believe Kaspa is not the next Bitcoin, but is actually the best complement to Bitcoin. Think of digital silver to Bitcoin's digital gold. That's where I see it. That's the value. A lot of people in the space think XLM and XRP are silver and gold, but to me, I see that as being Kaspa and Bitcoin. And the chart may reflect that Kaspa is going down. So you see all the people coming out saying it's a bad investment, it's all hype, it's gonna go to zero. But again, if you click the year chart and zoom out just for the past year, what's it doing? This. A correction is normal, a downtrend is normal, consolidation is normal. The supply is only 28.7 billion. They have halvings just like Bitcoin. It's a finite supply like Bitcoin. It's decentralized and secure like Bitcoin. But what is it not like with Bitcoin? Scalable. It is scalable, revolutionary, new tech with a fair launch, and has yet to be listed on a tier 1 exchange. Just because it is not yet listed doesn't mean that it won't be listed, for one, and doesn't mean it's a bad investment. Trust me, these exchanges know about Kaspa. They're just trying to time this market properly as to when to list it so they can make the most amount of money. These exchanges are companies. Kaspa doesn't have a team that's willing to pay money to be listed on these exchanges, who often want tons of money to list these cryptos. They want incentives. So naturally, these cryptos take longer to be listed. That doesn't mean, though, that they're far away from being listed on a tier 1 exchange. Personally, I think Kraken will be the first to list it. And Binance, because they already talked about listing it in a future spot trading, I believe, is not too far behind in my opinion. Kaspa at 10 cents, 11 cents. If it comes down to 9 cents, 10 cents, that is a gift. That is a deal of a lifetime, which is why, even though I'm an early buyer and bought low, I continuously DCA because I have strong conviction. I'm very bullish on it, and I know what holds for Kaspa in the future. I am super bullish on this crypto. I haven't lost conviction. In fact, I hope it stays like this and continues in a downtrend so I can be greedy and gobble up while the majority of retail stays away and says it's going lower and lower and lower. Like we see time and time again, the majority of retail has no idea what's going to happen. But if one thing's certain, Kaspa, to me, I still think is going to be a top 10 crypto this cycle. And the price action, it may not look like it right now. Mark my words, only a matter of time before it rips it. You heard it here first. By the way, if you want to reach out to me, talk to me, see what crypto I'm buying, selling, trading, run your portfolio by me, be a part of voice chat hangouts or my private live streams. I just did one today where you can get direct coaching from me, feedback, hang out with me, or be part of a support group of like-minded investors who also want to change their life with massive profits, not try to be a lone wolf, stress yourself out, try to figure this all out yourself. If you want a fast-track way to dramatically improve your wealth, then I highly encourage you to join the Patreon and Discord. I'll leave a link in the pinned comments down below. It would be awesome to see you there. But anyways, now I want to hear from you. How low do you think Kaspa will go before it rips? And where do you see its price by the end of this bull cycle? Drop your comment down below and let me know. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like. Really helps so much. That being said, I hope you have a great day and I'll see you in the next video.